Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing the Ipoll app and its pros and cons. As your first move, please subscribe Softlofihub YouTube channel. First, let's talk about what Ipoll is. Ipoll is a mobile app that allows users to take surveys and earn rewards such as cash, gift cards, and other prizes. It's a popular app among people who want to make some extra money in their spare time. So, what are the pros of using Ipoll? One major benefit is that it's easy to use. The app is user-friendly and the surveys are simple and straightforward. Plus, you can complete surveys on your own time and from anywhere, making it a flexible way to earn money. Another pro of Ipoll is the rewards. Users can earn cash or gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon or Walmart. And, the rewards are typically credited to your account quickly, so you can start using them right away. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of using Ipoll. One downside is that the app can be buggy at times. Some users have reported issues with the app crashing or freezing during surveys, which can be frustrating. Additionally, some users have complained that the payout threshold is quite high, meaning it can take a while to accumulate enough rewards to cash out. Overall, Ipoll is a decent app for earning rewards by taking surveys. While there are some drawbacks, the app is generally easy to use and the rewards are worthwhile. If you're looking for a flexible way to make some extra money, Ipoll is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on earning money online. Thanks for watching.